Guys, put up to a little meet here. Well, I forgot my camera, so RIP the quality, but you know, I gotta pull up something. Look at all these cars. This is just like a little bit of it too. It's crazy. Yeah, bro. Beamer gonna beamer with you. This shit's ridiculous. Look at it, bro. It's everything. They're all right here. This is a good little spot. I mean, I don't know how long it's gonna stay, but it's crazy. Damn, what's going on here? Oh, shit.
It's the alternator.
That's crazy.
In the wrong side.
Stay here.
From what I was.
What the fuck?
That's a weird looking alternator, huh?
Yeah, no shit.
More to the right over there, but I'm not looking into it right now. Everybody's here. I actually came in hella late on accident.
Hey, YouTube channel?
Yeah, I've got my camera, so this is what we got right now. Some marble wrap on this. Love them. Crazy. Especially if I got M2, I got this color. It has to be this color. So you can't do any other color on this color. It's so nice. Oh, here's Ethan right here. Mark V Supra on a tire. Look at this boy. Looking good. Is this new? I gotta go ask him if this is new. You can see that, right? Call him right here. Look at this fat boy. Big old slickies on there. Can't even see him right now. It's like, oh, this is like a bluish. It's not silver, it's like bluish. I'm not tripping. Yeah, I remember this one. Look at this one. I saw it at the last meet. It's here now. Looking real nice. Looking real nice. Oh, what's up? How many?
14, 15. Yeah, you can pick up like a. You probably want to spend like 15. So I'm looking at R1s right now, and the ones that give me the 13, they're kind of fucking.
Dig or roll?
No, roll because I wanted to dig.
You don't want to do lig?
He doesn't want to dig.
Oh, okay. Oh. Where's your finish line?
I guess over here.
Something right here. Go! For the Beamers! Beamer boys! Beamer boys! Beamer boys! Damn, I still a bunch of fucking brakes. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. I'm in my Crocs. I'm not prepared. I'm out here getting the content. I better hit the subscribe button right now. Hey, tell me subscribe. Subscribe to my channel that I don't have. That's like wait, what?
Wait.
Yeah. Supra and M3. Supra and M3. Let's see what it is. Oh wait, they already killed it. They killed it already. Hey, TMR FTW, bro.
It's not losing, it's growing.
Yeah, exactly. Ugh. Oh my god, is this a 54?
Damn, boy.
noise probably terrible. They're probably like. You guys can't see anything. We're in M3. It's so dark, bro. We're doing 50 against HELIX M3. For tonight. I didn't get any really good runs in at all, unfortunately, so we're just gonna call it there. Hopefully you guys got some runs in, or you guys got some good footage on there, but we're gonna go home with Isaac just to make sure he's good, and yeah, safe, because his meth is actually not working right now. But the only thing that we're worried about is the fact that it could catch fire in the engine bay, because there's a lot of meth right now in the engine bay just sitting there. But yeah, so let you guys know how it goes and what it looks like. Again, sorry for the bad sound quality. There was bad sound quality. I forgot my camera, you guys. I'm so sorry. Alright, anyways, if you guys like the video, please like and subscribe.